Bonjour mes amis, je m'appelle Aditi Pandey. So in today's video, we are gonna do the back exercise of Lesson-1 La France. Choisir le drapeau français means choose the French flag. So which one of these is the French flag? Let us firstly recall the colors of the French flag. What were they? Bleu, blanc, rouge means blue, white, red. Now tell me which one of these flags has these colors. Okay, so there are two, this and this. And now remember the image you have seen in the chapter. So yes, this is the correct answer. These two are wrong. This one is wrong. This one is right because the French flag has these colors in a horizontal order, not vertically, it's horizontally. Okay, and now let us move to the next part. Relie le mot avec l'image correspondante means match the word with the corresponding picture. So this means you have to match the word with the right picture. So our first word is le fromage, means the cheese. Then tell me which one of them is the cheese. Of course, this. Next, le drapeau. Le drapeau means the flag. So which one is the flag here? Of course, this. Next, le vin. Which is wine here? Le vin means the wine. So this is the wine. Le vin. Le parfum, which is the perfume. Of course, this one is not a perfume, this is the perfume. And last, le pain means the bread. So this one exercise is complete. Let us move to the next exercise. No, this. So next is choisir la bonne réponse, means choose the correct answer. First is La France s'appelle sorry, I told the answer. La France s'appelle dash. You tell me the answer. वैसे तो मैंने गलती से बता ही दिया आपको, फिर भी try. Of course, this one is the correct answer. Next, La capitale de la France est dash. Nice, Paris, New York. Which one is the correct? The correct one is Paris. Remember Paro from Devdas? This is Paris from France. Just remember from that. The third one is dash et le pain français. Which one of these is the wine of? Tell me which one of these is the? Oh, sorry, not wine. It's bread. Which one of these is the bread of France? Le pain. Le pain means the bread, of course. The bread is not the bread of France. Le vin, the wine is not the bread of France. La baguette. This is the correct answer. La baguette means it is actually the traditional bread of France. I told you in the lecture. So it is the correct answer. Next is dash a vin français. Which one of these is the wine of France? Tell me which one. Which one of these is the wine of France? So tell me which one. Le Camembert, Le Bordeaux, Le Roquefort. Le Roquefort, no, it's not because it's a cheese. Le Camembert, no, it is also cheese. Yes, the right answer is Le Bordeaux. Then the fifth one is a parfum. Which one of these is a perfume? Le Bourgogne. No, it is a wine. Le Camembert. It's a cheese. Le Chanel. Yes, this one is correct. Chanel is a brand of perfume. Dash a musée. Means which one of these is a museum? Le Louvre, Notre Dame, La Tour Eiffel. La Tour Eiffel is Eiffel Tower, so not correct. Le Louvre. Le Louvre, yes, Le Louvre is the correct answer. Notre Dame is a monument of France. So, this one question is done. Let us move to the next part. Oh. Our first question is, quelle est la capitale de la France? And I want to tell you that in your paper French exam there would be no question translation in English, or the question would only be in French, so you have to understand the question in French only. That way only you will learn French, because if you will if you will read out the question in English, then you won't understand the question. So better is to try understanding the question in French. Like here, your question is, quelle est la capitale de la France? So from it is in a sentence, but you understand some words like la capitale means the capital. The I told you the means of or for. So the la France, the France. So the capital of the France. You understand it. And quelle est means what is. Quelle is used as what or how. Two meanings of quelle. So the answer would be, you can write the same, quelle est la capitale de la France et Paris. Um, Paris. I don't. It's hard to write on here, but okay. I think you can understand. It's Paris, Paris. My writing is quite like this. Nomme de fromage français. Name two cheese of France. Fromage means cheese. The means two. Nomme, yes, it's similar to English, so name. Francais, France. Name two French cheese. So one is Camembert and second is Roquefort. Camembert, Roquefort. 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 The screen is dirty. Okay, I think you understand what I told you. Spellings, you have to learn the spellings also, and I will tell you side by side. So write it down, okay? Next question is, nomme de monument français. Name two monuments of France. Okay, so what name we have know the name of three monuments: La Tour Eiffel, Notre Dame, L'Arc de Triomphe. So you can write La Tour Eiffel. I am writing in the side La Tour Tour Eiffel, Tour Eiffel, Tour Eiffel, Notre Dame. Because these spellings are easy, but L'Arc de Triomphe spelling is hard, so I think you might write the spelling wrong. But if you want to write it, you can. It's your wish. And if you find it hard, you can write these spellings. Okay. So I am rubbing it. Let's move to the next question. The quel couleur est le drapeau français? So couleur means color. A means is. A, anywhere you see A, it means is. Okay. And drapeau means, flag, or français means French. The quelle couleur est le drapeau français means of what color are the French flag, is the French flag. So what color? Bleu, blanc, and if you I didn't told you, and rouge. Not and, there's no and in French. uh, Rouge. And I didn't told you, if you want to write the answer in sentence, you can also write like that also. Like you can just copy all the parts from the question, sentence from the question, and just write the main answer. Like in this question you can write uh, Le drapeau français est bleu, blanc, rouge. This means the French flag is blue, white, red. And in the other parts also you can just write it down. But in these questions, nomme the fromage, nomme the monument, means naming questions you can't, because yes, you only have to write the name. In the first question you can write La capitale de la France est Paris. Whenever you have to write such kind of things, you can use the word a and just join. Just leave the first letters cal a or like those things. Just main answer. A means is, okay, in French. Nomme de vin français. Name two wines of France. So name one is Bordeaux, Bordeaux, Bordeaux. Second is Bourgogne, Bourgogne. Half name, Bourgogne is half. I have written half name here and half here. Bordeaux, Bourgogne, and yes, add le in front of their names. Okay, le Bordeaux, le Bourgogne. Next is quel est le pain traditionnel de France? So, the France means of France. Okay. Quel est le? Quel means what? A means is. Le pain means the bread. Traditionnel. So this word is new, but I think you know traditional, traditional. They are similar. So traditional means traditional. So the question is, what is the traditional bread of France? So, name the traditional bread of France. There is only one bread we have learned. It's la baguette. La baguette. Baguette. La baguette. This is the, and you can write it in sentence like this. Le pain traditionnel de France est la baguette. Means the traditional bread of of France is la baguette. Okay, so this one is complete. Let us do the activity. So here, this one activity you have to do it by yourself, because this is just a game. Okay, you can play it with any of your friend who knows French, or you can tell them, because sharing knowledge helps you gain more knowledge. Okay, next, let us do the next activity. This one, activity the. So first you have to write these names in French. First is perfume. So what we say perfume in French, I think you know, parfum. So here you will write P A R F U M, parfum. Okay, so first is parfum. Next is cheese. What we say cheese in French? It's fromage. So it would be F R O M A G and E, fromage. I write big, so it is not coming in box, but you can write it with pencil, okay, in your book. Next is bread, third. So bread we say pain, P A I N. Bread spelling is similar to pain, but it is not spelled. It is not pronounced as pain. It's pain. Okay. Next is flag. What we say flag in French? I think, not I think, I know you know, because yes, you definitely know. Drapeau. I am writing it in the side so that you can understand. Drapeau. Half of the spelling is. Half of the spelling is here. Dra. Drapeau. 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 Okay, so this is flag is called drapeau. Next one is city of light. Okay, I think you know definitely. City of light is Paris, or it's called Paris in French. What it is called? Paris. Huh. Okay. Next is currency. Currency of France. So it's. Why should I solve everything when you know? Just answer me in the comment section. What is the currency of France? Okay. So that is it for today. In the next lecture, we will do the next chapter, leçon de bonjour. So for now, au revoir means bye in French. Au revoir.